Dear students, another topic is the real object versus virtual object or real image versus virtual image. In case of real or virtual object or image, most of the students commit mistake in the sign convention because the concept is not clear to them. Let us understand this concept very clearly. What are real objects? Say this is a lens. If I put a point size object in front of the lens, light rays from the object will fall like this on the lens. So if the light beam from the object falls on the optical element, if the beam is divergent, then object is real. Try to understand. If the light beam from the object falls on the optical element, which can be a mirror, which can be a lens, then the object is considered as real. For example, if I take case of concave mirror, if I put an object over here, the light beam from the object falling on the mirror are divergent, so the object is real. Now, what are the virtual objects? Let us consider a case. If light beam on an optical element, which can be a lens or mirror, falls on it in such a way that it is forming a convergent beam, then object is virtual. We consider object to be placed over here at this point. So if you measure the distance from the lens, from optical center, you are moving along the direction of incident ray. So here in this case you would be positive. You need to be very clear about this. Or if I consider a concave mirror, if the incident rays again are convergent, then object is considered to be placed over here, and in this case here also you would be taken as positive. Means the object put in front of the mirror is virtual. Here in this case the object put in front of the lens is virtual. Now let us understand the case of real versus virtual images. Real images are those which are formed by the real intersection of rays, and the virtual images are those which are formed by the intersection of rays virtually. The rays do not actually intersect. The real images can be photographed, can be taken on the screen. So let us understand this with an example. See, for a convex lens, if I put an object over here, the incident rays form a beam which is divergent. So here U is real. If image is formed on other side of the lens, you can see the image is formed by the real intersection of refracted rays, or the refracted rays are practically intersecting at this place. they are meeting at this point, so image is real. Another point you can notice that the image is formed by the beam which is convergent. If the image formed is by the convergent beam, then the image would be real. If we consider the situation for virtual image, we know that if an object is placed between focal point and optical center, a virtual image is formed. These two rays will not meet here, but if I look from this point, it appears that these rays are meeting behind this lens here. These two refracted rays are virtually meeting at this point. They are practically, these two rays are not cutting each other, they are not intersecting, but virtually they are intersecting over here. So this image is called virtual.